Hello everyone, welcome to the features video of Dashboard Ninja powered by Ksolves. In this video, we will understand a very important Dashboard Ninja template, which is the Sales Dashboard Ninja. How exactly this template, this Dashboard Ninja module help you to actually understand your business, to know your partners, your customers, your revenue into detailed view, right? So as you can see on my screen, we have few items which are already made as the part of this template. We have last week sales, we have partners, we have sale orders, we have partner sales, we have customers, we have to be invoice data, we have due amount data, we have top customers, we have top sales team. Going down, we have top 5 products sold, last 5 months sales, definitely top 10 sold orders, we have top polar area chart, we have top 10 sold products, we have so different items we have, right? So what all these items are actually doing? So these items are actually letting you know about which team of yours is performing the best, which customer of yours is actually very profitable to you, which all products of yours actually are chasing the market and the customers as well. So definitely all these knowledges, all these set of piece of information actually help you to understand your market, your business, your figures, your revenue in detail. And once you know your business, maybe you are into hospitality or maybe the education or maybe the real estate, whatever the business you are running. So for an example, if you have complete information about your business and domains, you excel into it, you grow into it. And that is what we actually are doing for you. We are making it a very easy job to understand your statistics and all the complete analysis of your data. So this is how Dashboard Ninja actually helps you to grow more. This is the template which I'm just talking about. Except this, we have amazing features which actually help you to customize, maybe visualize your data. So we have these dynamic date filters for you. You can see over my screen today, this week, this month, this quarter, this year, and so on. Except this, we have this play button which helps you to go into a TV mode and get a slideshow of all your items, right? You can set up the interval from the configuration. We have this print dashboard feature which helps you to print your dashboard, a complete copy of it into a PDF format. Now we have this add option where we have all these tiles or maybe charts, line charts, list views, just for your comfortability, that you can choose whatever kind of a format you want to choose for your item, right? Edit layout feature, basically it helps you to move your item from one place to another as per your choice and resize them if required, right? You can do that whenever you want to, however you want. So this feature enables you complete customization of your dashboard. Now I discard this. Here you have quick edit mode where you click on it and you get a complete freedom to change the settings from outside only without even entering the full settings mode, right? For an example, I just want to change the color, and yes, here I go. So once I do this, it is done, right? You can go back to the sales dashboard and you can check. Yeah, so I can just do this from here. Yeah, so once it is done, you can see we have full power to customize this dashboard from the outside only. Except this, we have this add button over here to show all these items. Now I'll just quickly go into the full settings of item. This item is made with the one data model, that is the sales order. That's why we are using default query here. So let's assume that we want to create an item basically which get data from different models, maybe the accounts, inventory, POS all together. Basically more than one data model we are using. In that case, we can use the custom query feature where your technical experts can write queries into SQL and you can get a required item over here. So these are the features of Dashboard Ninja which actually helps you to get a very good dashboard for yourself, right? Now we go to the sales dashboard again. Just to give you the final glimpse of this dashboard, you can see all these items which we have made for you are definitely very beneficial and can help you to know your business into detail. Thanks for watching this video. In case of any questions or queries, you can reach us at sales@ksolves.com. Thank you.